Hello, this is James at Get7up.com, and I wanted to welcome you to your members area and show you something that is one of the benefits of being a pro member here. If you're not already a pro member, it's just a one-time $10 fee, and then you have the ability to earn $7 over and over thereafter through your work and the work of others. So, a benefit that you have is to be able to advertise a banner in top and bottom rotation, shared in all rotation of all pages of the site. So let me show you how quick and easy it is to add a banner. All you do is click advertise at the top of the page. And then on this page, you will, in the first field, place the banner image link, the URL to the banner image. And then the next one is the website URL or your referral link or affiliate link. You're going to receive 100,000 impressions for each of these banners. And then, as I said, you get one for top rotation, one for bottom rotation, and then just click preview. Um, and then on this page, the very first thing you see is the banner itself. So make sure the banner appears correctly, and then click the banner to make sure that the proper page opens, to make sure that your advertisement is going to be approved. And then just close that tab. Nothing's going to interfere with the page you're on here. And after that, just enter your Get7up username and email address, and afterward, tracking password. What's going to happen is we will email you a login so that you can just keep track of the banner, the impressions, and the clicks for all the way through 100,000 impressions for each of these banners. And then just click submit order. And then after that, that's all you do. You'll just click right here to return to the members area. And that's it. If you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.